Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am back to share more tags made with the Not Too Shabby October 2022 box of the month. This box has already sold out, but in case you got it, here's some inspiration for you. And November's box is getting ready to be released, and I know you don't want to miss that, so you can always just make some tags using it when you get it. I did use, or back up, getting ahead of myself. I had another video up earlier in the week sharing the first 3 tags that I created. And for those, I used the other paper pad and stamp set from the kit, from the box. So I made these 3 owl tags. So super cute and easy and fun. I'm in love with tags, as I've said. I will link that below, so if you haven't seen it, you can check that out. Also in the description box below will be all the products that I used that I can still find. Like I said, the box of the month is already sold out, and I believe all of this, the paper pad and the stamp set, were sold out as well. But the dies might be in stock, maybe not Too Shabby, but I will definitely link them if I can find them. Anyways, I used the Nutcracker Dolls today stamp set. The special, this calls for confetti that was in the box, Snow Bloom. It is so pretty. And then I did use the Winter Magic paper pad. I did use the Sunny Studio mini mat and tag number 3. I am just placed an order to get some magnetic sheets to store my dies, so when I do things like this, you can see it a little bit better. Excuse me. I did use this one to create a shaker tag. So I'll explain that when I get to that. And then I used this Build a Tag number 1 set from Sunny Studios. Again, it'll be linked below so you could go to their site so you could see it better. I just have it in a little like clear envelope so all the pieces are kept together and not all over the place until I get to those magnetic sheets. So on to what I created. I did 4 tags with this stamp set. So the first one, I have this pretty little girl. That tree I thought was just pretty in the background there. I like how it was the fishtail. I added some of that. This calls for confetti. Lots of stickles, so she sparkles. Just love how that one came out. Next up, I did this. I did more of those black and gray papers. Again, added some stickles and some of that. This calls for confetti. And then I added 2 images to this one. Again, stickles, and this calls for confetti. Are you sensing a theme here? I also am liking the tags because it's actually making me go through my ribbon. I have tons of ribbon that I rarely ever use, so that's fun. And then the one that I'm most proud of is I made a shaker tag. Yes, when I have shakers, I just want to shake them. Sorry that there's a reflection there, but if you can see, I think it turned out so pretty. I also see I need to cut the acetate there a little bit. But what I did is I took, let me get it out of here so that I can share it with you just a little bit better, because I wasn't sure how to do it, and then I saw someone else and I didn't write down who they were, so I can't give them credit. But this is not my original idea. So I took these layering dies and I got it into the position I wanted, and then I put some washi tape over it so it would stay like that. And I die cut it 6 times and stacked them all up and glued them together. And then added the, this calls for confetti in there, and then a piece of acetate over the top, and then finished decorating it as normal. And I have a shaker tag. It is very thick and very strong, but how fun would that? And I think that would make anyone smile if that came on a gift or a card or anything. So I had so much fun making that shaker card or shaker tag. So there are the tags part 2 using the October 2022, Not Too Shabby box of the month. I think that they turned out super cute, super sparkly, very festive. And with, like I said before, with these Nutcracker Dolls stamps, I think it's neat that they kind of tell the whole story and just super fun. So I have made more tags in this week than I almost have my whole crafting career, as you could say it. But like I mentioned before, in November, I will have a tag a day. I'm still working out the details. I'm not sure that I'll have a video every day. I might just put them in with Saturday Showcase, but if you follow me on Instagram, I will be posting there every day. And I will, like I said, I'm working out the details, so I will be back on Halloween to give an update and give you the hashtag so you can play along and all that jazz. So, again, everything is in the description box below for what I can find that is still available. And until my next video, I hope you have a fabulous crafty day. Thanks so much for stopping by.